Alright guys, it's James again with the last piece of my firework stash. I ended up buying this for the end. So this will be going off with Furious Angels by Prime, 2 Bang Tiley, a Redemption, and Raise the Roof. So yeah, I thought I'll buy this, why not? So this is a compound cape, Run for Your Life. You're probably seeing, a lot of people buying the Firework King. I agree, Shaker last year for New Year was brilliant. So yeah, I'll show you a bit about it. So it's a compound cake with 4 individual cakes. I mean, packaging is brilliant on this. All 50 shot, all 30mm, 1.3G. I mean, there's not much you can really say about this till I liked it. Some of you probably had it in your stash last year. So yeah, I'll show them that way. No, that's the wrong one. Move it to open. Hey, that's good. Take that out. So we have 3,980 gram. F3 Run for Your Life. 2018 production. So yeah, this is one of my last ones. So yeah, I hope you all have a good bonfire night. Keep safe, and I'll see you in the new year with a new stash video. See you later, guys.